Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry kangkong. First, prepare your kangkong by washing one bunch thoroughly. Separate the leaves from the stems, cutting the stems into 2-inch pieces. Mince about 4 cloves of garlic and slice 2 small red chilies for a little kick. This initial preparation ensures everything is ready for a quick and easy cooking process. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in your wok or a large pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your minced garlic and sliced chilies. Sauté these aromatics for about 30 seconds, stirring constantly until they become wonderfully fragrant and just lightly golden. This step builds the foundational flavor for your delicious kangkong. Now, add the kangkong stems to the wok first, stir-frying for about 1 minute to give them a head start. Then, toss in the kangkong leaves and continue to stir-fry until they just begin to wilt. Immediately pour in your prepared sauce mixture, which typically includes 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, ensuring even coating. Finally, continue to stir-fry for just another 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring the kangkong is tender crisp and vibrant green. Taste your dish and adjust the seasoning if needed. A small pinch of sugar can balance the flavors beautifully. Once perfectly cooked, transfer your hot stir-fry kangkong to a serving dish immediately and enjoy this simple, flavorful side.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.